Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Solving Programming Exercises. In today's episode, we are going to write a Python function that determines whether a given string has an equal number of X's and O's, regardless of case sensitivity. The function should return a Boolean value indicating the result. The first step is to understand the problem at hand. Our task is to implement a function that takes a string as input and returns a Boolean value. This value will indicate whether the count of X's and O's in the string is equal. Now, let's analyze the provided solution together. The function starts by initializing two variables, X's and O's, to keep track of the counts of X's and O's, respectively. Next, we loop through each character in the given string, which is converted to lowercase using the lower method. This ensures our comparison is case insensitive, allowing us to accurately count the X's and O's. Inside the loop, we check if the current character is X. If it is, we increment the count of X's, stored in the variable X's, by 1. Similarly, if the character is O, we increment the count of O's, stored in the variable O's. Finally, outside the loop, we compare the counts of X's and O's using the equal to operator. If the counts are equal, the function returns true, indicating that the string has a balanced count of X's and O's. Otherwise, it returns false. To summarize, this solution effectively counts the X's and O's in a case-insensitive manner and checks if the counts are equal, allowing us to determine if the string is balanced. Fantastic work, students! We've successfully dissected and comprehended the solution. Remember, the journey to becoming a proficient coder involves practice and exploration. So, keep coding, keep exploring, and never stop learning.